When our vehicle breaks down, it's scary and stressful. Whether it's overheating or just won't start, it's not fun. Luckily, Amesbury Foreign Auto is a local dealer alternative repair shop ready to help. Our friendly staff has one main goal, and that is to listen. Through constant communication before, during, and after your vehicle's repair, we educate customers and give guidance towards the best possible solution to keep everyone safe and on the road for thousands more miles. With a combined 25 years experience, our ASE certified technicians are constantly training to keep up with the highly technical vehicles of today and hybrid electric vehicles of tomorrow. We strive to be quick and efficient, getting your vehicle back to you because we know how busy life is. Are you looking for another 20 or 50 or 100,000 miles out of your car? Then call Amesbury Foreign Auto right now and let us give your vehicle a complimentary 40-point digital inspection so you'll have the confidence that those ugly breakdowns are left in the dust.